Hello friends, good evening everyone. My name is Gyanand from English with Village Vlog. Guys, I know most of you don't have partner to practice in English and you just watch videos and you just think about your fluency but nothing is improving. Why? Because you don't speak, and as we know, until we speak we can't speak. So it's better speak something, because it is said that something is better than nothing. So if you really want to become fluent English, if you really want to learn this language, English language, so you must think something different. You all the time think that how can I learn English because I don't have partner. Forget about partners, forget about facilities. Can't you see nowadays lots of villagers, they are able to speak just because of this social media. So make this social media your friend. It would be in your hand all the time, and you must play upon this social media. Just take advantage of this social media. I am not saying all the time you have to think about English, like English videos, and you have to think about your fluency. No, nothing like that. If you give 1 hour for you, it would be enough, guys. So I want you to speak. So for that, today I am going to tell you what you have to speak, because most of you are beginners. So really you don't know how to practice in English. How to practice in English. Yes, I know, because I was also going through like this. So since I started learning English by myself, so I got lots of bunch of ideas. So those ideas I'm going to share with you. Suppose you have little bit English knowledge, so do one thing: start speaking your stories, and also ask question by yourself randomly. I run some classes where I make my students practice like this. I just teach them, then I ask them to ask lots of question, and until you become habitual, until you start doing by yourself: do, does, did, was, were, how, whom, why, where, at what time, automatically. Because if you are doing every day, so it will be your habit, guys. Don't stop yourself, just do this, engross in this language. Suppose, in order to do practice, I am going to tell you one story. And because as I told you, I have knowledge about a little bit grammar knowledge, so of course I'm going to tell you one small story, and after that I'm going to ask some question by myself. It would be like icing on the cake, because here I'm not doing practice only on how to narrate stories, but also I'm going to practice how to ask question by myself. I will ask question related story which I am going to tell you. So watch this video till the end so that you can get idea how to practice in English being alone. So let's get started, guys. So there was a boy named Subham. He was 5 years old. One day he got up early in the morning, he got fresh, and he heard his parents talking about fair, means mela. So he got uh, like thrilled that, oh my god, my parents are going to see uh, fair. Oh, it would be great for me. Then he went to his mom and he said, mom, I will also go with you, I will also go with you, I know you are going to fair. His mom said, yes son, of course you will go. Subham didn't eat food that day, thinking that, oh, I will get to eat like funnel cake, means jalebi. I will get one red balloon and some toys. He was over the moon, guys. And when his mom gave him breakfast, he denied eating it. he said, "Mom, I will not eat. I'm not hungry," because he had thought something different. So after that, like like Subham and his parents, they got ready and they went to fair. So when they were little bit away from the fair, Subham was totally thrilled seeing so many people and lots of people selling balloons and funnel cake, toys, and people were uh, talking to one another, and all like all over this that place. There was nothing but crowd and people, children, lots of things. First, Subham said to his mom, "Mom, please, I want to eat jalebi. Please, mom, please." But his mom denied, saying, "Okay, I will give you jalebi, but wait for some time." Subham, he got sad. He said, "Oh my God, I can't help eating these jalebis, red and yellow color. Oh my God." Then Subham saw all of a sudden a man holding so many balloons in his hand, and their color like was red, blue, and like uh, yellow, and different kind of colors of balloons. He got excited. He said to his dad, "Dad, please, I want to hold this red balloon. Please get me this balloon, get me this balloon." His dad said, "Okay, don't bother me. I will definitely give you these balloons. Don't worry." So he was totally upset. He said, "Oh my God, what should I do?" Then he saw lovely gun. Seeing that toy gun, he said, "Oh my God, mom, I want this gun. Mom, I want this gun. Please give me, give me." Mom said, "No, son, I will definitely buy this gun for you. Just wait for some time." And this time Subham kept watching that gun, and his parents went ahead and they vanished in that and in that crowd. All of a sudden he saw Subham. All of a sudden, when Subham noticed that his parents were not with him, he got shocked. He started crying and he started running here and there. He forgot all the thing, and he started like wandering here and there, and he was crying vigorously, means loudly, so much. Then one person came to him and he said, "What happens, son? What happens, son?" Then Subham said, "No, no, no, I don't want, I don't know. Please, please, I want to go to my mom. I want to go to my parents." But that man held Subham in his lap, and he said, "Okay, Subham." So that man is tried to pacify Subham, but Subham kept crying. He didn't listen to that man. That man took Subham to like that confectionery, like that jalebi person, and he said, "Okay, do you want to eat jalebi?" Subham said, "No, no, no, I don't want to eat jalebi. I want to meet my parents." Then that man took Subham to that balloon person who was holding so many balloons, colorful balloons. Then that man said, "Okay, do you want balloon?" Subham said, "No, no, no, I don't want a balloon. I want to go to my parents." Then that man took Subham to that toy man who was selling toys, and so that man said to Subham, "Okay, do you want to buy this toy gun?" He said, "No, no, no, I don't want to buy anything." He kept crying and he kept crying, but it was, and when it started getting dark, and that man couldn't find his parents, then that man took Subham to his home, and this story ends here, guys. So guys, if you really like this video, please subscribe. And really, if you really want to know how to become fluent in English, how to practice in English easily without doing any effort, so of course like this video and subscribe. I will definitely help you guys. Just believe in me and stick to this channel. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.